you've got the camcorder then?
Yeah, well, it is my camcorder, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know that, I'm not saying that. I was just, you know, I was just worried about it.
Well, you know, there's no need to worry, bro. It's in perfect hands with me.
Oh yeah, I suppose it is. I mean, after all, it is your camcorder, isn't it? Oh, is it snowing outside? Well, I'd better go down the shop before it, you know, comes heavier. So I'll see you later.
Alright, yeah. See you later then. That was weird.
Next time, it's mine. What shit weather. Now, which way is that shop?
Ah, well. Suppose I'd better go now. Coming in, my baby? Suppose it's time to put you into bed, babe. Let's put this light on for you for a few seconds.
There you go, my precious. You got into bed.
Good night, my baby. See you later, little princess. Yeah.
Here, hot dog, I'll put the camera to bed, huh? Put the camera to bed. That reminds me. Fat dog. Fat dog. Where's Wayne? It's in him for ages. He even went down shop. Big bastard, isn't he? So I'm a thick bastard, am I? I'm gonna fucking kill him. But first, I must kill his camera. Right, Stan. Alright, Alf.
Hello, Wayne.
How you doing, man?
Come in, play. I've been.
Alright, I'm just know you're in here somewhere, little camcorder. Where are you? No, I checked in there. He loves you. So if he loves something, where would he put it? In bed with him, of course. Oh yeah. Huh? What the fuck are you? A cat. They stink. Where are you? There you are. Oh yeah. Now I've got to get out. Don't you dare tell anyone, Felix. Don't you fucking dare. Easy.
Wait here, right, Al?
Yeah?
I'm just I'm just after I'm just gonna check the camera. Will you just sit down?
Yeah.
Sit down.
Look at the weather now. Oh yeah. Let's go, babe. That way.
No.
I don't just like the camera, right?
I'm just off to check on camera, right?
On camera?
It's nice to see you, bud.
You got a camera up there?
Yeah, it's a sleeping bed now. I'll see you in a bit, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe he stands here. Camera's gone missing! Where's missing? Where's the camera?
Oh, please be alone, please.
What should I do? Should I phone the police? Should I phone the police? Oh! Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Get in there! Is that the police? Yeah, I want to report kidnapping. Yeah, it's the camera. I think it's me kidnapped. I'm not pissing about. I'm not pissing about. Hello? Ow. What am I gonna do?
Wait, good afternoon. Get your camera on.
Did you fucking... You set this up, did you? Did you set this up?
No, boy.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Pinch it.
No, kettle playing with.
I'm sorry, Al. That camera means the world to me.
What are you laughing at, you sick bastard?
No. It's there,
You fucking...
I'm off. Lay down. Lay down.
Go get in your way, get warm.
You were sleeping. You can't move without someone moving.
down. And think about all the times in the car. Where are you?
Waiting room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You feel it in my kid. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. Eye to eye, we need no words at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you read my mind, you see I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for
Yeah.
you.
Everything will be okay.
Crazy for
Yeah.
So he's back. Suppose I better give him the bad news. He'll be just as heartbroken as I am.
No, that's terrible news, that is. You can't have anything. And you say it went today. God, I only saw it with you with it today, didn't I?
You know, you're a bad liar, you.
What do you mean? What do you mean I'm a bad liar?
Well, come on. I know you're just as upset as me. You're more upset than you're letting on.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I'm really upset over this. In fact, I'm devastated. I'll go upstairs now and have a good cry about it. I'm sorry as well. I'm sorry for you.
Yeah, you go up there and I'll just have a little cry down here.
Yeah, Wayne. I'm devastated.
Oh well, life goes on, I suppose. Just not for me.
Wait, man. Stirred the youth. Wayne's just phoned me up. He's told me, mate. Sorry.
Okay.
Must be fucking heartbroken.
Yeah.
Listen, Wayne, mate. Don't take this the wrong way, I know, but do you think you're slightly overreacting a bit?
What's that supposed to mean?
At the end of the day, mate, it is only a camcorder, isn't it? Get out! Get the fuck out! No! Calm down! Get out! Man, well, this alright, fucking hell, calm down, well, yeah. Get out!
Oh, I'm gonna... It's my baby.
Did you do it? What was his reaction to the "it's only a camera"?
Didn't do it, mate.
So that was that nice then?
Yeah.
Well, it's a job
You
well
nearly had
done.
me in tears.
It's a job well
I
done.
wouldn't have been laughing so much.
So here's 50 quid. Nice doing business. So spend it all at once. Okay, see you, Paul. Alright, didn't see you there. You feeling much better yet?
Aye. I'm feeling much better now.
Oh, good. Well, I'll leave you to it and I'll just, yeah.
Okay. See you then.
Fucking God.
So,
Feeling alright here? I'll see you back. Shut up, dog! Hi, is that Tone? Is that Tony? Oh, good. It's Wayne. No, the other one. Yeah, alright. I wonder if I could lend a couple of your lads. I want the best. Yeah. I've heard you got a guy there called McCloskey. I don't care how much he costs. Money is no object. Okay. Thanks. Well, let's see how much better you're feeling after this. Huh? Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Fucking hell, what is this? Who are you?
Excuse me, sir. My name is Mikulowski. You were called upon me,
Bloody hell, that were quick. Only phoned you a few seconds ago.
That is why they call me Mikulowski, because I am so quick.
Oh, I see then. Well, who's this little freak?
Oh, yes, I am so sorry. It is the most ignorant of me. This is my son, Pablo. I lot of nice man, Pablo. I'm so sorry, sir, but it does not speak much after the accident. You know what I mean?
Bloody hell, he's a little freak, isn't it? How old is he?
Oh, yes, sir. He is 25, going on 30.
Bloody hell. He's quite small for his age, isn't he? Huh? This is what I want you to do for me. Down there, turn it right. There's a camera. What I want you and you to do, right? I want you both, right, to go down there and bring it back. You understand? And do you understand? Alright, so you've both got it, right. So, go. Toodaloo. See what you're gonna do from this, Wayne.
What a nice man, Pablo. You should speak more.
You're still feeling alright in there, Wayne?
Yeah, I'm still feeling much better, thanks.
Good. I'm so glad. It's only 'cause I worry about you, you know.
There's no need to worry. I'll be okay.
Alright. I'll just go down there now. I'll leave you alone. I'll be up to check you in a bit. See you later. See you later, Wayne. Here, have the money. See what you think of this, Wayne. See if you're still feeling alright. Wayne? 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 Where the bloody hell's he gone? Oh yeah, I know where he is. There you are. I've got something for you.
Yeah, I know.
What do you mean you know?
I heard you bring it in.
Is that all your word?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, good.
Anyway, thanks
What for?
for finding it.
Ah, no problem, that's what her family's for, of course.
Can you just leave us alone a bit for a few minutes, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll just leave it on the bed for you. I'll leave you alone for a bit.
I'll make sure you have the best funeral ever. I'll bury you where we had the most fun. I promise.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's really got him this time. Yeah. Anyway, thanks, Tony. I'm just gonna see how the little squirt's doing right now. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for lending me a couple of your guys. Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm planning on burying it up park today.
How come so soon?
The sooner the better. The sooner it's buried, the sooner it can be laid to rest. And rest in peace.
Oh, I see.
I mean, look over there. I mean, just look over, baby. So much freedom out there. Such a good view for you. God. What times have been in bed? Remember rush hour when I went skateboarding, you were filming? You were good that day. But you were bloody brilliant. Yeah. Even wrote some things I remember Shadow Fighter. You won't film that. No one will film it as good as you. Anyway, baby, I'll leave you to rest in peace. That's all. Fine. You stay there. And you, Genevieve, back. You shit about you. See you, baby. Yeah. Yeah, Jack. Yeah. It is a shame. What do you mean, what am I going to do about Wayne? That's what you try to say, Jack.
He did what? Wayne killed my camera. How do you know? He's been bragging, has he? That's alright. I'll sort it out, Jack. Thanks for telling me anyway. Alright, Wayne. Yeah. You coming round? You know, I just need a little chat with you. Alright, I'll meet you round back in about 10 minutes, is that alright? Yeah, 15's okay. Okay. Nah, I just need a chat with you. Alright, see ya. Alright, Wayne. Let's play you at your fucking games. I mean, why didn't I see it before? He's been acting weird all fucking day and I didn't catch on. I didn't catch on. Just imagine his smirky little face. Oh, it's making me sick. Just imagine that smirk of his. Oh, it makes me sick just even thinking about it. What if he raped it? I could just imagine that. He's fucking dead. Where is he? You're late. Yeah, so what's this about then? What's this about? You know what this is about. Why don't you just tell me? I'll tell you what it's about. Fucking hell, what that for? You knew what that was for. Remember the camera? Does it ring any bells? Huh? What do you mean? What about your camera?
You killed it, didn't ya? Huh? You killed it, didn't ya?
Come on, Wayne, I know you're around here somewhere. I just know you. Where the fuck are you? I know you'll be here. Call me superstitious, but I know you are here. Yeah, and if you want me, you gotta catch me first. What's up, got to keep my brain? Brain? Huh? Wayne? Huh? Wayne? It's over. It's over. Hiya, Faye! Hiya, baby! What are you doing out here? Oh, don't get me wrong. I know what you thought. You thought the other Wayne was coming to get me, didn't you? It happens in many films, but not in mine, bitch.